Welcome to the tutorial. To access the alumni portal, go to the CBEC website at siut.org/bioethics. Once you are on this website, find the Alumni tab here. Hover your cursor over it and then click on Alumni Login. Once you have clicked it, the next page will show a login screen. On the left, there is the login menu with username and password. Write the username that has been sent to you on the email. Write the password from that email here. Now click on the login button. The next screen will be like this. Wait a few seconds and your account details will appear here. Click on the green button and it will show you a summary of your details. But for now, you have to click on Edit on the right side of the page. When you click it, you will be directed to the form. You can see that all your details have been added, which were provided to us in your previous form. However, since it has been a while, this needs an update from you. Here, you can update your current contact number. If your address has changed, please update that as well. Write the name of your institution where you're currently working. Write your designation. Below this, you will see some details about your PGD project. Master's alumni will see some different questions here pertaining to their thesis. Review the checked boxes, and if there is a correction or an update, please do it. Below, there is a question for bioethics-related conferences and seminars. We have added entries there if they're provided to us in your previous responses. If you see any mistake in those entries, you can easily edit these entries by clicking on Edit. You can make changes in any detail of the entry, for example, date, type, or your role in it. When you have done it, click on Edit New. But since now new entry has been added for 2 years, you can add a new entry by clicking this button. Add the title of the conference, write the complete details of the conference with city and country as well. Select further details. And click on Add New button. You see, here it is. But since it is a fake entry, I'll delete it. Next is bioethics-related workshop. Do the same here by clicking Add Workshop. For peer-reviewed publication, click on Add Publications to add any new article published by you. Other publication section can include book chapters, news articles, etc. You can add publications in the same way. Add title. Select the type of publication. Provide link and select authorship and add it. But see, the entry will not submit if something is missing or wrong. We have not added date here and the link or URL format was wrong. So when we do it the right way, it adds it swiftly. Right now, we will just delete the fake entry. Check appropriate boxes for other questions. If you are involved in some other kind of activity related to bioethics that was not asked in the form, mention them here. Are you a journal reviewer? Mention the name here. If you have any feedback related to the form or the process, do let us know in this field. And finally, the last question asks you about your areas of interest in bioethics. Check as many options you think you're most interested in. If there is another that we have not mentioned, click on Other and write it here. When you are done, click on the Update button. Thank you for filling the form. When you are done with this, please let us know by sending us an email that this has been done. If you face any difficulties, do not hesitate to approach us on call or email. Thank you.